Here I have Realme C21, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So to do this, you firstly have to open your phone application, then go to contacts, then you have to select contact which you want to add photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add its photo. Then you can select if you want to take photo right away, or you just want to select it from the gallery. Then you have to select your photo. Here you can adjust it, and then just tap done, and after that save, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.